This is the opening screen for the blood pressure log, main, and video help. When you open the application, this screen will be shown, and it'll have a series of about 4 or 5 video helps that are going to be shown from this screen. Before we get too far into this description, the overview is important, so I'm going to cover that first of all. This application is designed to do blood pressure testing, to log that blood pressure testing, to list the information for the individual blood tests. It also has a medical website, knowledge base site where you can select different information videos and from different websites that pertain to all health issues that include blood pressure and many other things that could be helpful to you. And there is a screen for adding new medical websites, and it'll be explained in a separate video, and a list view of each one of those separate medical websites so you can identify what information is being provided in that knowledge base. And then the last thing is a test status list, which is used in the actual blood pressure testing to show different statuses as to how the blood pressure testing was done. For example, in this screen, this is the status right here, and this is the status field. You'll see later when you take video tutorials how this information is used in the blood testing screen in order to identify different types of places and events where you're actually taking your blood pressure and identifying how that blood pressure is relative to the average over a period of time based on different kinds of conditions where the blood test was taken. As you're going through the application, you want to identify how to do things like, for example, doing fines, which are covered in this screen. You'll also be given a individual screen by screen identification tutorial where it would tell you how to use the screen and how to use the information within the screen. This includes what they call portal views and list views that are also included in this application. This is a great way to learn about the application and the information within the application. And you can also go down here and read if you pop down this, it'll give you more of a content and explain more about the actual screens and stuff that you're reviewing in this YouTube video. One of the things I want to point out before I close is you can expand this by clicking here to fill the entire screen. You use this gear here to set the resolution, which is normally 360 up to 720 HD, so you can see very clearly, even in this small print on this simulator, that you can see the information. And of course, when you pop it to full screen size, it's much easier it's much easier to see the information on that screen. Closed caption is not really necessary, and it is not covered with this application. If you have any questions and you need information about the application that is not covered, go ahead and go to the Do Action menu, come down here and click on the Support button. That will take you to our developer support site where you can chat with us or leave an email address with a question, or you can contact us directly through that email for other issues if you have those issues. And we will be explaining all these screens to include the navigation and how that's used and the Do Action menu in the next screen and next tutorials. Thank you.